make $100 a day just by sending out emails. And I will show you exactly how you can automate everything so you can start making passive income from today. And you can start this business model without investing a penny. Email marketing nowadays it's became a little bit famous, but a lot of people don't know exactly how they can make money using email marketing, how to collect email addresses, how to send out offers, how to make sure that people buys your offers and you earn commission, maybe through affiliate links or maybe with your own product. And I'm going to give you a really 3 simple step strategy that I've done myself and you can do too. And you don't need crazy skill, you don't need to be a computer scientist, you don't need to be a professional marketer, and even you don't need to have a penny, you just need a computer or a phone and you can set up everything. So you can start your side hustle business with email marketing, start making some money, start getting some tractions and start understanding a little bit how business works. Because in order to make money with this business model, you need to have maybe different little skills. You need a little bit of copywriting, you need a little bit of marketing, you need a little bit of knowledge in general, you need some common sense, you need some knowledge about how to grow a page. And as you can see, it's a really complete business model where you can learn a ton of stuff and mix all your ideas in order to make money and grow your email marketing business. And especially if you are a beginner, I will show you exactly where to start from zero. I will give you the software, I will give you the tips, I will give you what to write inside the emails in order that you can make a sale and in order to don't be pushy. And by doing this, you will make sure that people that receive email will open that message and not maybe put it on the trash or maybe send it to spam. So the step number 1 in order to make money and start your email marketing business is to create a page on social media. It can be just one or it can be multiple, but make sure to create a page. It can be on Facebook, on Instagram, or even a YouTube channel, or maybe also a page online. But social media, I think that are the best way in order to get people to see what you're selling and people to look at you and what you are posting. So make sure to choose one of the platform that you like the most and maybe the one that you are a little bit better, or even better, choose multiple platforms so you can reach multiple peoples from different points. And then once you have chosen your platform, let's say for example Instagram, you need to choose the topic, the niche that you wanna go in, and you need to be a little bit specific. For example, let's say that you wanna do fitness, and then you go a little bit specific and maybe you do diet. So you have now an Instagram page about diet for fitness, maybe for people that wanna lose weight, maybe for people that wanna gain muscle, but just make sure to choose something that you like and you know a little bit of stuff about it, because if not, you will waste a ton of hours just by researching and you will not feel motivated. But if it's something that you like and you already know the stuff that you want to share, so you don't need to learn new stuff and you will save a ton of time and be happier during the process. So once you have found out the page and the topic, just make sure to create good content, a ton of content, and post it daily on your social media. And then what it will happen? It will happen that your page will grow. Yes, maybe at the beginning you will not have 3,000 followers in 2 days, but it takes a little bit of time. And maybe if you already have a page on social media, maybe your own personal brand or another page, you will already saved this time. You already have an audience, and then from that audience you can start sending emails and selling products. And as you may know, people don't give their email to you for free, or maybe they just don't want to give their email. So now it's your job to get the email of your followers. It's your job to find out what the people that follows you likes the most, give them something for free to them in exchange for their email address. For example, you can create a free meal plan, maybe for people that want to gain muscles, and you do it for completely free. People just need to add their email and then they will receive through email their own plan. And by doing this, you give a lot of value to the other person. And by doing this, you will give a lot of value to the other people and they will like what you're selling. They see that the value that there is inside your meal plan, it's bigger than the pain of exchanging their email. And they probably will know that they will receive newsletter, offers and some stuff, because you also need the little check where you explain what you're gonna do with that email, if you will send out emails, if maybe you want to sell that list or some other stuff. But this is a legal topic that is not about this video. But make sure that your product, your offer, or your idea is really valuable and other people can see the value that there is inside. So you will be able to exchange your product, maybe your guide, or maybe your gift, or maybe a coupon code with their email in order to get their contact and in future send them emails where you can add offers and then you will make money from there. And just think at yourself, when it was the last time that you have added an email in maybe a funnel or maybe just to get something for free. You have done it because you have seen that the offer that the other person was giving to you was really, really valuable and high quality. And because of this, you have done the exchange with your email. But if the other person just told you, give me your email and I will send out you a bunch of offers with good products or maybe with good ideas, people will never give you their emails. But I think that if you want to sell a lot of stuff, feel good with yourself and with your audience and make something valuable for them, the best way is to create a subscription model. For example, I can say, okay, if you opt in this email, you will receive one email a day for the next 30 days, where every day I give you tips about diet, about meal plan, information about how to lose weight, how to gain muscle. And this is pretty much a subscription to your service. It's a subscription completely for free that people join their email. And then from there, people are expecting your emails. People will watch and open and read your emails. And they will be very, very interested in the content because they have chosen to put in the email and they are waiting for your email. So once you send out the email with a bunch of good information and good value in there, I will show you later exactly, you will add an affiliate product or maybe your own product, and a lot of people will not click it and will not buy it, but some other people will click the link, will find that your offer is really good and really useful, and they will buy it, and you will earn a commission, you will make money, and it's there that you can make a ton of money, because then at the end your job is just to grow your audience, so you will have more people that follows you, more people that go into your email list, and more people that click the link and buy your product. At the end, it's just a numbers game. So once you have chosen what to give to them in order to make them give you their email, you need to create an automation, because you cannot stay at home and send out emails to every person and then, okay, I need to send maybe the email number 23 to this user, and it will be really painful, hard, and pretty much impossible if you will have big numbers. But if you go on mailchimp.com, you can find the link on description, and this is a completely free way where you can create your email list and also your email automation, so you can automate the emails. So every time that a person go to your landing page, insert the email because they want the subscription for maybe 30 days, they click OK, and then your email will go in a determined list that you will set in MailChimp. And from there, we'll start pretty much a workflow where every day from there, automatically, without you doing nothing, zero stuff, the system will send out the emails that you already created in the past to that user. So the user is able to join the email and receive an email every day for the next 30 days with content offers, all the stuff that you have maybe created ahead of this. Yes, because before to start sending out emails, you need to have all the emails set up in order to create a great funnel and something that really works. And by creating this automation, you will never think about your emails, you will never think to work about your emails, but you just need to keep growing your page, and your main focus is just on growing your page on social media. And then on the back end, you will monetize your page and make a lot of money. And as I said before, in those emails, my advice to you is to create a really interesting headline so people will click it. First one. Second one is to create a little phrase initial where you use the name of the user and you say something really useful. And then you create maybe a paragraph of text where you give them more details, more stuff about your headline. You give them maybe tips, exercises, maybe what to eat during holidays, or maybe what never eat during a workout, and all this type of information. And then at the end, you just add a little sentence with PS, if you are more interested to know about nutrition, watch this complete guide here, or maybe buy this book, or maybe buy this program. And then there you will add affiliate links, maybe from Amazon, from ClickBank, from CJ Affiliate, or maybe your own product. But make sure to promote and sell stuff that are valuable. Never sell crap just for the reason of making money, because then people will buy. Yes, maybe 2 or 3 people will buy it, but they will find out that it's not valuable, it's not a good product, and they had 0 results, and they will lose the trust that they have with you, and they will do bad advertising towards you, and this is not good for you, because yes, you can maybe make some money in the short term, but in the next years you will never make money and your brand will be dead. So the structure is pretty much simple. You create a page on social media, you choose a specific topic, you post daily in order to create a following on that page and grow an audience around that, and then you offer something for free, maybe an email subscription, maybe a free PDF, maybe gift cards, coupon, in order to get the email of your followers. And then you will create a workflow on MailChimp where you send out emails with the automation. Pretty much every day of the month you send out emails, and in those emails you give a ton of value, and then at the end you just add a little phrase with a little link where you offer some product or service, and make sure that this is affiliate or it is your own. So in this way you will make money. And if you are interested to know the 7 traits of successful people, download the free PDF that you find in the description, so you will know exactly what you need to have in order to become successful. And if you right now are broke and you wanna make some money really quickly, watch this next video right here where I show you the best 3 ways on how you can make $100 a day as a broke individual. I see you there. 3 easy ways on how you can start making money as a broke individual, completely broke, that you cannot afford even a pen.